If you want to upgrade your home into a smart home, you better see this first. There got two switches in market, live version and neutral version. So, what is the difference? What is their advantages and disadvantages? Hi, I'm Chris from LifeSmart Malaysia. Many clients call and ask me, hey, why after I install the smart switch, my light is flickering at night? And why I press the switch many times, only can on or off my light? Why I cannot remove my switch sometimes, it's always show disconnect. To make you simple to understand, switch wiring actually divided into 2 wired and 3 wired system. If you're using 2 wired system, you need to use the live version smart switch. But if you're using the 3 wired system, you need to use the neutral version smart switch. But most of the lighting switch in Malaysia is in 2 wired system. So when you open your switch, you can find a L, L1, L2 and L3. L means the incoming live wired from your MCB, and the L1, L2, L3 are connected to your light. And the neutral cable ready on the ceiling which connect to the another pole of your lighting. So when you turn on the switch, the circuit is closed, then your lights will be turned on. You have to use the live version smart switch. This switch got some minor issue. Why? As we know, all the electric device will need to be powered up by positive and negative power source, like your torchlight. Smart switch is also an electrical device. It needs 2 poles to be closed, then only can be working. So, it needs to steal electric and let the circuit close. Only the smart switch is working. But the problem is, stealing too much, it will cause the light flickering because got current flow through. But stealing too less will cause the switch become unstable. So if you always disconnect with your mobile, then you cannot remove to turn on or to turn off your light. So some of them are installing the capacitor at the lighting point to avoid this issue. But what they don't tell you is, first, is waste energy. Second, your light easily get damaged because always in a working mode. And third, more serious, you add a capacitor has increased the risk of an electrical fire. So, how to upgrade your stay-in house into a smart home without worry about the flickering issue, stability issue, and also the durable issue? Don't worry, LifeSmart is here to help. The pioneer invented STELLA switch has been introduced to eliminate the live version switch problem. No need to steal power, no need to install the extra capacitor at the light. Wow, how did the miracle happen? Because it just operates by a long life battery inside. Then you can enjoy all the smart home features with more safety. If your house is under renovation or is already come with the 3 wired system, you can direct go for the neutral version smart switch. We have the blend light switch, moonstone light switch, and many more. So in the next video, I only tell you about the feature of the neutral version smart switch. Thanks for watching. Message me at the below link to get the additional discount for this STELLA smart switch. Or you can ask me any question on smart home.